What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's your girl Nightlife as a bitch. Yeah. They look say they don't know my pain, and they don't know my hustle. They gon' feel this hustle. And if you are new to the channel, then make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel with bad bitches. Period. I mean, bad women. Period. But today, by the title, you already know it is a wig install, and like literally, I've been wanting to do another one because my last one that I did with the Baddie Supply wig went up, so I'm doing another one. Let go. That's the company. It's a deep part lace wig. It's a frontal. The name of it's in the number 2. It's really pretty. It have cones in the back. Yep, it have 1 cone in the back and 2 cones in the front. Y'all can see how it look. This is how the wig look. So this is the ear from ear to ear. Inside, real cute. She real cute. Got her from the little beauty. And we about to install her. I was gonna do the ball method, but what for? Because your girl about to be getting her lace like itself really good though. I ain't gonna lie, how they did it was pretty good. But your girl gonna add her own little twist. So like definitely gotta pluck her up a little bit, give her a little pluck. So your girl finna go ahead and do that. Y'all seen a video when I did install a Baddie Supply wig. Y'all seen start from finish. So y'all just gonna see me install it. So I'll be back in a second and we're gonna get installing it. I'm about to go ahead and plug this off camera because, you know, I ain't gotta redo it. So we're back into this video. Don't go nowhere. Stay where you are. Keep watching. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and that friend tell that friend, that sister, that brother, that cousin, that uncle, auntie, Keisha, whoever. Tell her to subscribe because we be lit all the time. This is just the beginning. 2021, my year, our year, period. Let's get to this video. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from plucking whatever I was supposed to pluck. But your girl about to go ahead and put some makeup on her cap. So right here I'm spraying Got to Be Glue on the cap. I'm finna put makeup all over the cap so that it can fit with the lace that I use. Now I'm taking that gel and just slicking up my edges because hair was definitely out. You don't want that to get out. Now I'm taking Got to Be Glue, spreading it on the wig. Now I'm putting makeup all over the wig, y'all. I'm getting ready to try on the wig to make sure it fits my head. And it did. And I put the comb in the back. Just making sure everything is okay. Yeah, I haven't did a voiceover in a long time, so bear with me. Now I'm taking the Got to Be Glue and I'm gonna use that to glue down the lace. I'm using 2 layers of it. So this will be the first layer. Now I'm drying my hair. Doing another layer. And I'm drying again. Now I'm getting ready to lay the lace down, secure it. You feels me? I take my time. I start with my front, then my sides. I put a little bit of makeup on. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Now I'm getting ready to pluck apart, which is I over plucked, and you guys will see this in the video, but I still finessed.
Now I'm getting ready to lay down the wig to make sure it don't come up. I believe that I'm starting to dry my hair because it's gonna come up though, because it wasn't fully dried. But I'm looking to make sure that it's secured. It looked like it was, but I needed to do a little bit more. Now I'm taking my scissors. I'm cutting 3 lines, one in the middle, one on the side, and the other side as well. This helped me to secure the right way to cut a lace. I'm starting from the top and zigzags. Now I'm going to the side to cut the excess lace. Now I'm just checking it out and blow drying to secure. I'm wrapping again. Your girl was just telling y'all that I'm gonna let it sit for like 10-20 minutes and come back. Now I'm getting ready to do baby hairs. I'm plucking just a little bit more for the baby hairs. I was trying to go for a dramatic look and I shouldn't have, but you guys gonna see it in the clip, so.
Alright, y'all, so I didn't even feel like going to hook up my
here
ring
go the
light,
dramatic baby
but I got,
hairs,
as y'all can
which
see,
was very cute
I got my
to
baby
me,
hair
but
session
I didn't
on,
have the right
how I want it all
brush
silky,
to do my baby hair, so it got a little confusing.
a baby hair.
I'm taking a hot comb now just to secure a little bit more. Y'all already know, little hot comb, little slick stick, and your stuff gonna be slicked all the way down, period. Y'all, I was starting to overpluck at that moment. I realized that I was overplucking and I kind of did too much plucking, so I had to go in with this blue black just to secure like little places of me plucking too much, and that's because I didn't have the black. I had a blue black, so I had to use what I had in my, you feel me, closet. It still came out good, y'all. Still finesse, okay, period. I should have left it alone, but I wanted dramatic baby hairs. It kind of get frustrated right here, but you guys will see what I did.
I'll just be back when I'm done with my baby.
Now I'm taking my makeup and just adding it to the wig just to make sure that it blends. I finessed the hell out of this wig, period.
Y'all know I overdo it, but yeah. It's definitely giving it a lot. It just take away that flaw.
I'm taking a little bit more blue black because I still see little spots me over plucking, and it just helps to secure it. Make sure you guys comment down below other videos that you guys want me to do. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Period.
But yeah, it definitely gave it that more look to it, but yeah. Girl.
Now I'm taking water and my conditioner, Pure Honey. I mixed it together and I'm putting it all over the head just to make it softer and make the curls pop. Y'all, it was so cute when I got it done. I was like, oh my goodness, what? This is cute. My baby hair started giving me problems, but I'm gonna fix those as well. But for the wig to be how it was, and it came out really cute, I did that. So yeah, I'm finishing up the water look. I'm about to fix my baby hairs as well, so y'all can see that. But if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys leave a comment in the y'all already know, down below. Tell me other things you guys want to see me do. I got a lot of things coming up. Birthday in 2 weeks. Stay tuned for the birthday glow. And that's just on period. But I had fun making this video. It was a challenge. This wig was $60 at my local beauty supply store. I did this for you guys because my last one went up. And I just wanted to do another one, period. But this look turned out really, really, really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did making the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that's on period.
I don't even shit from India. Okay, I feel like I should fix it. Okay, on this side. Oh, girl. I'm just trying to get on my mind, but it's cool. Oh, I understand. And that's how you slay a wig supposed to. And that's on period. I'm about to go ahead and call my sister and show her real quick because that's what we do. We show each other everything. And take some of the heat and kind of lay it down a little bit more. Girl. Bitch can't do nothing. Huh? You said what? You know what? But yeah. So this is how it turns out. Pretty much cute out. That's just pretty. I'm finna call my sister and then I'm about to get back on here because I need to put my ring up. I mean, like, but so y'all can see. I'll fix my little hair if you want to start flying around. I'll fix that later. But your girl be back. My soul, when I feel this hot soul.